Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. It's time to plant collards. These are 25 collards, $3 a piece. And these are 25 cabbages at $3.50 a piece. Now, just for the sake of math, we know all these plants aren't going to make it, but let's say they do. A head of collards, I can boil that down and get a little over a gallon bag of collards. Usually, if it's a good year on collards, that's about average. And so, with a gallon of collards, that's about 4 servings for me. Or I could eat 1 gallon of collards, but let's just try and do some easy math. I won't convolute it. Well, let's say 25 cabbages make it. Thank you, Robbie, for pointing it out. Yep, there she just pointed to everything with her tail. And say those make it, okay? Because you can cook and freeze cabbage as well. So about a head, you figure you get about 4 servings out of that. And let's say for easy math, with a little bit of fertilizer I'll add with it. All I'll do is pour some Miracle-Gro on it. And other than that, it'll be rabbit manure. Whenever I water it by hand, it's always got Miracle-Gro in it. Or I use my rabbit mixture. But that equals out to 200 servings. And those are good sized servings, you know, for a family of 4. Well, you've got a whole side for a penny is really what that would cost you. And you'll not find anything more delicious than if you grow it yourself. And it's good exercise too. I found during these times that my garden calms me. I get out there and today I was just weeding the garden, just getting out there and getting all the weeds out, because I'm fixing to plant all these, so I'll have this food for the winter. I'll cook a head of collards a week, bag it, put it in the freezer, and eat me some with a little bit of sausage. And I'll have some recipes in the description section for collards and cabbage, and they're tasty to me. They're kind of more popular in my area in North Carolina. I know I've talked with people from the mountains. They prefer mustards and mustard greens and turnips and stuff like that. But what I do want to try this year, I'm going to find me some kale and cook it, because it's very similar to collards. I do like kale salad, but I want to kind of expand my palate on kale and see what I can do with that. But there you can see where I paid $3 for the collards and $3.50 for the cabbage. The place I go to buy this, they've been in business over 100 years. The great-grandfather had it. The grandfather had it. Now one of the sons has it, and his son's working there. And just super nice people, just salt of the earth kind of people. But I do not a great amount of business with them, but when I'm getting plants, I always go to them. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.